My 240Z wiring is almost done. My man Derek over here put together my wiring. He's doing a really good job. His company, D-Rec Motorsports. So they do a bunch of performance wiring, fabrication stuff, and anything motorsports related here at the shop. I've got him doing some wiring for me, and later on I'll have him tune this RB25 for me. You can see it's all club spec wiring. Got some Deutsch douche connectors. I don't know how to say it. There's a few things that need to get figured out. New headlights and taillights and LED stuff, and so that we can get these finished, because right now they're just empty hollow sockets. On the inside I've got all these switches which go to my start and the lights, you know, the turn signals and the ECU. See my ECU setup over there, ECU Master Black Series. Ba-ching! My ghetto panel that I made. That's M Unit Blue, originally for motorcycles, but works well for us. Really reduces the amount of wiring that I have to do in here. Obviously I still need to create a dash out of here. When I do, I'll put a display unit here that will be able to wire in. He's already got it figured out, so it'll be easy to connect. Tail lights, need to do LEDs here, but he's already connected douche connectors in. Somebody should give me a lesson on how to say that correctly. Cool thing about this connector, whenever I want to service my engine, all I have to do is twist that off, and now my engine can come out. Except for a couple of minor things like this starter and the alternator down there. Then when the engine goes back in, bloop, connected. Super stoked on how it's all turning out. Very excited to have it run again. And it's cool that it's underneath Skyline, of course. Thanks, dude. Woo!